Welcome to our time at the Sailing Club Phu Quoc for summer 2024. We enjoy the property and the first thing we did when after we check in is to swim, but here we are. We start this video with a walk to breakfast. All at villas was really close to the lobby where all the spa and restaurants are located at. So backstory, we when we searched for a hotel in Phu Quoc, every hotel was telling us that it's the high season for tourism, which is this was at the beginning of June in the summer. So it's supposed to be a very high season for tourists in Phu Quoc. But as you can tell, we walked through the lobby in the morning, and there was quite empty.
For a week. Come on, pizza. I love Vietnamese breakfast because you can have whatever you want. More than a week. I thought you ate Susie's with Daddy before we left. No, this is not food. I want to smell it. No, but it's not. It's decoration. Yeah, it's getting that's decoration.
Breakfast was included in our stay, and we actually enjoyed the breakfast. It has good pastry, Westerner pastry, Vietnamese pastry, Vietnamese food, Westerner food. But the thing that I actually enjoyed the most was the noodle soup. They rotate different noodle soup every day. There were 3 kinds of noodle soup, and the Vietnamese love the pho for breakfast. So do I.
Pork roll, and that is oh wow. The honey's dripping down. You use it to get honey. That's fancy.
We asked the reception if they could take us around the property
there.
But I guess we also did not spend a lot of time outside of our room on the property to play around because if we were to go outside, they have bike for us to take a bike ride or a run around on pavement, and for the kids spent a lot of time in the swimming pool, our private swimming pool in the villa. Every time we get out and we come home from our tour, the day of touring Phu Quoc, the kids just jump into the dinner in a fully loaded kitchen, and Mia is going to give us a tour. like a Peppa Pig.
Empty here. Nobody is here.
Huh?
It's koi pond.
One thing I have to say is that it's really hard to open the door. Till this day, I still didn't know how to. I still don't know how the door worked. I keep just turning and back and forth, back and forth. I was never able to open the door myself. One of my nephew had to open it for me each and every time. Hot water and cold water dispenser. It's very nice that we didn't have to boil hot water, and we came back to our room and get changed after our run and go to breakfast. So Mia's giving a tour while we're getting ready.
yummy. There's no rule for breakfast in Vietnam. Everything's go.
The breakfast menu changed every day, and there are some days that have one thing and not another from different countries around the world.
Pho is the way to go in Vietnam for breakfast.
I'm laughing here because Katie cracked an egg, a hard-boiled egg, and it was not boiled. It was raw egg.
Does it look confused? Does it look confused?
And breakfast mimosa and Bloody Mary are included, and there's also tea, coffee are also included, but there's some other juices that are not. I mean, smoothie are not included. We can try the smoothie to see if it's good or not, but the mimosa was okay. It was too sweet. I don't know what kind of champagne they used, but it was way too sweet. Bloody Mary was very watered down tomato juice. I like my Bloody Mary a little bit more thick on the tomato juice instead of clear tomato juice. And again, the kids always jump into the pool at the end of the day, every day. When as soon as we come back from our day, come into a hotel, they jump into the pool and having fun, and which is highly recommended. I'm so happy that we got a cool long swimming pool. The kids enjoyed it. We did enjoy the breakfast, the restaurant environment a lot because it is an indoor-outdoor seatings. It opened all the windows. I don't know if they would close it on the hot days or not, but the day that we were there, it was not that hot, so it was have good breeze. But they turned on the fan.